Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka jingkeno bakadon ke jingti bat Shalan Beaiñ yau Dewïong ha Meghalaya kalanang pau pen rengkau susu da ke jingyo bat ikitrokit Dewïong klemkot klemsla ha surok ba Shillong Guwahati hari boy district da uriu shimet ha kabala sapriang ru ka video ka ba ubat ya kitrok habakalis pang ke jingkeno baki kambian kidang peteng benti bat Shalan yau Dewïong usembut menteri rangba uba Preston Tensong ulaong ba ke jingti Dewïong lasya ha Meghalaya tangba kadai banlong katkum ki kendon bat katkum ka juk stat sayan menta ha kaba ka Supreme Court ru kalasya ya kani ulaong ru ba ukermen ba kindon ki balathep banyo ti Dewïong dak ba penkre kumno banti katkum ki kendon an bat ki kendon ki balabu katkum ka juk stat menta ulaong balada lap ya ki kam Beaiñ kum ka jingkhayi tu yau Dewïong da mano rimano dai ban Pyntip bat ujor Sekibor district bakin siamik sinjam amda donkam ban Pyntip syau sembut menteri rangba ni syau menteri rangba habakali halor ke jingtung biang yau justice Katakey da ke ying bishar ban kli ya ke komiti ban petngor ya ki kamti bat ki Dewïong Beaiñ ha Meghalaya uba tensong ulaong ba ke Sorkar ka Pdiang ya kani ke jingtung da ke ying bishar namar nakapor syakapor kidon ki bakeno ya ke Sorkar ulaong bakani kan bha sibune mat ke Sorkar jela ka Pdiang ya kani
I think we all aware that the NGT has already closed down the coal mining in Meghalaya. Even the Supreme Court says yes, mining activities can be allowed, but it should be highly mechanized system in place. So I am very sure, because quite a number of individuals or miners, they already applied, they already came forward to apply the mining lease and they prepare the mining plan. So according to the prescribed norms of MMDR Act, so I'm sure they will get the mining lease once that is done. When the mining again starts, the mining will start with the technology where those waste or where those iron or where those acidic watering, I think that can stop. I'm not aware about it. Yeah. I'm not aware about it, but let me just reiterate. Let me tell you again, we already have district administration, be it SP, be it DC, they are on the job 24/7. So those people who found out such irregularities in movement of trucks or coal or whatever, I think the police stations we have, why not they immediately inform the police, immediately inform the district administration. They will take action accordingly. Not necessarily that you have to inform me, not necessarily that you have to inform Chief Minister. I think in the district itself, it can be done because that standing order has been issued to all the district administration, be it SP and be it deputy commissioner.
So has this illegal...
If the Honorable High Court wanted more transparency, we welcome that. It is good. That's what I'm telling you, because now we are being blamed. They keep blaming, oh, government is like that, they're doing this, they're doing that. So it is good. I'm telling you, it is very, very good. I'm really satisfied. And then the government, they welcome the decision taken by the court. We, from the government, we are happy with that institution of the committee headed by the retired judge. So it is good, because people nowadays, they blame the MDA government does this, that. I mean, with this decision taken by the Honorable High Court, I think that people will understand that MDA government is doing the right thing. If it is not, so this committee is there, so action will be taken.